1.
How long have you lived in Glasgow, Matt?
Not very long. After university, I lived in Newcastle for 6 months and I moved to Glasgow 2 years ago.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's great. I love it.
2.
Is your sister married, John?
Well, she was married for 15 years, but she's just got divorced.
Do you think she'll get married again?
I don't think so.
3.
Have you always liked sport?
No, I used to hate PE when I was at school.
So when did you start running?
A few years ago, a friend asked me to come with him and I really enjoyed it.
Do you run every day?
Yes, every morning before work, except when it's raining.
4.
What's your favourite subject?
Well, I quite like history and geography, but I think I like literature best.
What about maths and science?
They're definitely not my favourites. I'm awful at them.
5.
And on your right, you can see the White Tower. It was built by William the Conqueror in about 1068. The rest of the castle was completed by Edward I in 1285. The castle was used as a palace and prison until the 17th century, when all of a sudden...